We're going to talk about properties of exponents and just the zero and the negative exponents in this lesson. Any number raised to the 0th power is going to be 1. So 6.7 raised to the 0 power is 1. It doesn't matter if the negative 9 is in the parenthesis. If it's raised to 0, it's 1. And negative 5 raised to 0 is 1. It's always going to be 1. If it's 5 raised to the 0, it's 1. If it's 10 raised to the 0, it's 1. Now, talking about the negative exponents, I have negative 2 raised to the negative 4. What we have to do is use the reciprocal. That means that this negative 2 right here, I'm going to put him in the denominator's place to make the negative 4 become positive. And then I need to put that in the calculator as what is negative 2 to the 4th. It is negative 2 to negative 2 to negative 2 to negative 2. But you'll need parentheses, negative 2 raised to the, and this may be what your button looks like, it may not be, 4. And when you do that, you're going to get 16. So this one is 1 over 16 when simplified. All right, and then 3 over negative 3, I'll put a 1 over the 3. That creates the 3 to be a positive 3. That means 3 times 3 times 3, or 3 raised to the 3rd power is 27. Then on this one right here, we have a little bit more going on. 4 to the 0, that part becomes a 1, so I have 4 times 1, which is 4. And then y to the negative 3, if the number is in the denominator to begin with, and it's negative an exponent, move the y up to the numerator, and that will create the 3 being positive. Now that 3 only affects the y, not the 4, so you're finished at that part. And then right here, negative 5 to the 0, well, we know that becomes 1. Any number raised to the 0 is 1. And then this 2 to the negative 2 is going to have to go up to the numerator so that the negative 2 exponent becomes a positive 2, and 2 squared is 4.